Dear students, today I am going to start exercise 7.3 from question number 4. In question number 4, we are given BE and CF are two equal altitudes of triangle ABC. Here in triangle ABC, we have BE and CF are altitudes on side AC and AB respectively. So we have to prove that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. That means AB is equal to AC by using RHS congruence rule. So what is given in the question? We are given in this question that in triangle ABC, BE is perpendicular on AC and CF is perpendicular on AB and BE is equal to CF also. So what we have to prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So let's start the proof. We will take the two triangle that is BEC, in triangle BEC and triangle CFB. We have to prove this question by RHS congruence rule. That's why we have taken triangle BEC and CFB. Now, in these two triangles, we have angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Both are equal to 90 degree. It is given to us. So, each 90 degree. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Now, BC side is common to both the triangles. So, we will write BC is equal to BC. That is common. And we are given BE is equal to CF, which is also given in the question, that both the altitudes are equal. Now this side BC, which is common to both the triangle, this is actually hypotenuse of both the triangles. So by using RHS congruence criteria, R means right angle, which we have in these two triangles. Then BC is equal to BC common, that is hypotenuse, that is H, and S is the side which is given equal, that is BE is equal to CF. So therefore by RHS congruence rule, triangle BEC is congruent to triangle CFB. Now if both these triangles are congruent, then angle B is equal to angle C. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C by CP CT. Now, if both the angles are equal, their opposite sides are also equal. So, side opposite to angle B is AC and side opposite to angle C is AB. So, we will write the reason for this. Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So if sides opposite to equal angles are also equal, it means AB is equal to AC. In triangle ABC, two sides are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now moving to question number 5 of this exercise 7.3. Yes students, in question number 5 what is given to us that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC and we have to draw perpendicular AP on side BC and we have to show angle B is equal to angle C. So what is given in this question? In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. And what we have to prove? We have to prove angle B is equal to angle C. Now we will do here construction, but we have to draw AP perpendicular on BC. Now how we are going to prove it? We will take these two triangles. One is triangle APB and second is the triangle APC. In triangle APB and triangle APC. Now in these two triangles, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, each 90, as AP is perpendicular on BC. By construction we have done AP is perpendicular on BC. Then AB is equal to AC. Now it is also given to us, but these two sides are hypotenuse of both the triangles. So we will write here hypotenuse. We will prove this two triangles congruent by RHS congruence criteria. So one angle is equal to angle 2, each 90, that is R, right angle. Then AB is equal to AC, side opposite to right angles is always hypotenuse. Then third is AP is equal to AP, which is side common to both the triangles. So by RHS congruence criteria or rule, triangle APB is congruent to triangle APC. If both the triangles are congruent, then we can say angle B is equal to angle C by CPCT. So by CPCT, angle B is equal to angle C. So hence proved that angle B is equal to angle C in triangle APB and triangle APC. With this question, question number 5 is completed and exercise 7.3 is also completed.